Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to add Instagram link to Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Facebook app. Okay, then tap on menu option. Click on Facebook profile. Okay, click on edit profile. Then scroll down, tap on links edit, just click, then add a new link, tap on Instagram. Okay, then platform Instagram and username, type username. Okay, then save. Your link has been added to your profile. Okay, then back, click on profile, then check. Then profile, then add your Instagram link. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.